Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion with Monday.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Notion workspace in a web browser. In a new tab, navigate to your Monday.com account. Select the board you want to connect with Notion. Next, open Notion and create a new page or select an existing page where you want the integration. Look for the Integrations option in your Monday.com board menu. Click on Integrations to see the integration options available. Search for Notion in the list of available integrations. Once you find Notion, click on it to start the connection process. You may need to authorize Monday.com to access your Notion account. Follow the prompts to log in to your Notion account. Make sure to grant permission for the integration to access your database. After authorization, return to your Monday.com board. Select the information you want to sync from Monday.com to Notion. Set up the synchronization rules as needed, such as which columns to include. Once you finalize the settings, save the integration. Head back to your Notion page and use the embed block. Paste the link to the Monday.com board you want to integrate. Adjust the size and alignment of the embedded board as necessary. You should now see the Monday.com board embedded in your Notion page. Test the integration by making a change in Monday.com and checking for updates in Notion. And that's it, your Notion and Monday.com accounts should now be connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.